Bounce, a huge monster performance from yourself. Tell us about.
Yeah, I knew today we needed to come out with a lot more energy
Ξέραμε ότι πρέπει να βγούμε έξω και να παίξουμε με πολύ μεγαλύτερη ενέργεια απόψε.
And set the tone from the beginning.
Και θέσαμε τον τόνο από την αρχή. What about your performance? It's something so familiar for you. 25 points, 16 rebound.
Yeah, I mean, I just tried to come out and be strong for my team. I know I needed to step it up and just have a big game.
Ήξερα ότι είναι ένα μεγάλο παιχνίδι, έπρεπε να βγω μπροστά, να σταθώ στο ύψος των περιστάσεων για την ομάδα μου.
And I'm glad today I was able to show that.
Και είμαι πραγματικά χαρούμενο που μπόρεσα να το δείξω. And you think it was a little bit surprise for you the first day of this championship versus Panathinaikos because you lose this game in your court, and today it was an answer regarding to the game, the first game in the local league.
I mean, like I said, that was really the first game of the season. Everybody just got together. We just trying to establish our rhythm, and I feel like now we're starting to figure out our identity. And today we wanted to make a statement that what kind of team we can be.
Thank you very much. Ήταν μια δήλωση, μας είπε, το τι μπορούμε να κάνουμε. Σίγουρα η πρεμιέρα ήταν αρκετά